Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My channel is about all things makeup related, so if that interests you, be sure to subscribe. I created this very wearable pink perfect spring eye look using the Too Faced Sunset Stripped Born This Way palette. And currently, right now, this palette is on sale on their website. So if you want to pick it up, you can get it on sale. But I love this palette. It's an older palette and I think it's perfect for spring, so I created a very wearable pink eye look. Oh, and the Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Stripped palette, I'm going to go in with, I'm going to start with Nude Beach. This is a really nice, warm, perfect everyday transition shade. Sigma E35 blending brush. So I'm just going to blend this right into my crease area. It's going to build a really nice, warm, matte brown crease. Love these Too Faced Born This Way eyeshadow palettes. They're my absolute favorite. I love them. I've created so many looks using the original Born This Way and a few using this palette. And they're actually on sale right now on the Too Faced website, which is why I'm filming a tutorial with them. And I just love these palettes. Too Faced has no idea who I am, so all these opinions are my own. I know Too Faced has like a reputation with like the beauty community. A lot of people don't like their eyeshadow palettes. I have always loved their eyeshadow palettes. I don't know, I create a lot of really nice looks with them, and I really slowed down though on purchasing their new releases because they do have very like similar shades. But I mean, these Too Faced Born This Way palettes, the Sunset Stripped and the Born This Way, they're two neutral palettes that are just absolutely amazing. I love them. I'm going to take the shade Golden Hour, which is a really nice, pretty matte pink, and I'm going in with the L'Oreal A29 blending brush. I would love it if Too Faced like could make a series out of the Born This Way palettes and come out with like different themes all the time because I love these palettes. I think that would be so cool. Something like Urban Decay did with Naked. Alright, so I'm just blending out my outer upper crease here, trying to make a nice brown pink matte upper crease area. This is going to be like a mauve shimmery dramatic eye look with some burgundy. This palette is just, I love this palette. Anyway, I'm done talking about it. So just blending out my upper crease here. Also, these L'Oreal brushes are absolutely amazing. If you watch my channel, you know I talk about them all the time. And I think, I'm not positive, but Ulta might be having a sale on his brushes. Ulta might be having a sale on L'Oreal's brushes on Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, and it would be the perfect time to pick them up if you were looking into getting them. So next I'm going to take this burgundy shade. It is called Chai Times. So I'm taking Chai Times on a Sigma E35. Is that these shades blended out super fast, like without any work really. And that's just like what I love. I love it. I mean, look at that. So this is the maroon in the palette. It's a nice burgundy matte shade. And I'm just gonna blend this into my outer V, creating a nice burgundy outer V. I know the burgundy shades were super in when I was in college. It was like if a palette had a burgundy eyeshadow, it was just like you had to get it. And I'm not sure if burgundy is still in. It's definitely the pop of color that I like to play with. I think burgundies are very wearable. And this one's a very wearable one. It comes off a little brown, but it's definitely like burgundy. Alright, I have this matte crease area, burgundy. I'm dragging it up into my crease just a tad. I love blending. If you know me, you know I love blending. So I will blend an eyeshadow look forever. Honestly, I overblend. Like I probably shouldn't have blended out the maroon this much, but I can't stand an under blended eye look. I can't stand it. All right, I got the shade Sandy Cheeks on my finger. Looks like that. A white shimmer that has some like purple in it. Do you see it? Like the gold and the purple. Apply this to the inner half of my eyelid. So pretty. Oh my gosh. You know, I used to wear shimmery eyeshadows every day to work, but now I'm just digging the more natural, like all matte looks, and I would have killed for a shimmer like this. It's so wearable, it's so pretty. This would like be like a perfect bridal shimmer too. Anyway, there's that. Look how nice that sat right there. Love it. Okay, so next I'm gonna get the shade called So Hot. It's like a pink shimmery burgundy shade. Stunning. I'm gonna put that between that shimmer and the burgundy outer lid. I love these shimmers. Like there was reviews that came out when these palettes first came out, like the other Born This Way palette came out. People were like, the shimmers are horrible, la la la. I'm like, what? They're more like pressed foils, and especially if they're applied wet, they're like insane. But this isn't even applied wet. Like there's enough oil in the shimmer to get it to look, you know, pretty on its own. But I'm a huge fan of these palettes. And right now they're on sale. Someone commented on one of my videos and was like, these palettes are on sale right now. And I was like, well, I should probably film a tutorial with them, you know, in case someone is deciding on the line whether they want it or not. I'm going back in with Sandy Cheeks. If someone is deciding whether or not they want it, that they should totally get it. Both of them. Look at that. Like that is, I love. I love. Okay. Yes. That is better than I honestly thought it was gonna turn out. I love it. I'm debating. All right, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna touch up Chai Times with a Sigma E25. I'm just gonna blend it in. You know, not do too much, just make sure it's nice. And I'm actually gonna take that while I have it and blend it in on my bottom outer V lash line. Love. Okay. I'm gonna take the Ariel A29 with that shade Golden Hour, which is the nice matte pink. And I'm gonna tap that here in my inner lower lash line. And then I gotta go back in with Chai Times and make sure Chai Times is nice and dark in the outer V. Again, make sure you take your time blending these out. On a small detailing brush, I just want to take a matte vanilla shade. This is one of the Urban Decay Smiley palettes. This is the Naked Chill Happy, and I'm just going to take this vanilla shade right here. Nice pigmented shade. I'm going to put that in my inner corner just to brighten, but let the focus be on the main eye look. And then touch this under my brow bone. And just blend out those edges a little bit here. I'm just gonna use whatever is on my brush here and just blend out those edges. Go back in with my very affordable, lovely Essence Nude Eyeliner. I'm going to apply this to my waterline. I apply this so much better if I'm just like looking forward and just letting the pencil. I used to hold my lid down, but it just like was too much. Plus, I heard that holding your lid down over the years causes wrinkles. So, this is how I do it, and it works. I mean, you do poke yourself in the eye pretty easy doing it this way, but, you know, beauty is pain. Okay. Nude eyeliner is on. To apply a coat of mascara before lashes. And I apply a pretty small coat. As soon as that is dry, I'm going to apply my Ardell Wispy lashes. I'm using the Kiss Lash Adhesive. This stuff is the best eyelash glue ever. I love it. Alright, and so I'm just going to put this on. Alright guys, I applied some bottom lash mascara and that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.